Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer Steele and today's makeup look is going to be about my everyday makeup, and I'm using the Mary Kay Time Wise foundation in bronze 4. It's a bit reddish. It has like a reddish undertone, but this is the foundation I use every day, all day. So yeah, I'm just going through my normal process. I'm highlighting my face with LA Girl concealer in Fun, and I'm just using my beauty blender to blend that in. And today I'm going to be contouring with the cream contour. I'm going to be using the Hega and Esther Face Perfection kit. This also has a reddish undertone, but not to worry, at the end everything came together. So I'm just going to use that in the perimeters of my face and my jaw, and I'm going to be contouring my nose with the same cream contour, and I'm going to be setting with the RCMA no color powder. And I felt like this powder actually made me look quite ashy, to be honest. Like, I was honestly so scared using it, but yeah, it worked out at the end because I used my powder at the end of the day and all of that. So yeah, I'm just going in to set my face with this powder. Oh my god, I look so ashy. So for my brow, I'm going to be using the Younger Beauty Brow Lotion pencil, and you guys know how much I love this pencil. So to set my whole face, I'm going to be using the Zaron brush and the Ezekiel Cosmetics powder to set my whole face and try to hide like the reddish undertone and everything. So this is where I actually kind of correct all the reds and whatnot. So with my same foundation brush, I'm going in with my blush, the same blush I used. But yeah, I'm just going to be putting a little bit, not a little bit of glow, because I wanted it to be really glowy and shiny. So I'm going to be packing that on my face, on my brow bone, my cheek, my chin, and all that good stuff. To make sure that my eyebrow stays in place, I'm going to be using this brown eyebrow gel from Maybelline, and it is called Brow Drama. And also I'm going to be going in with the same glow in my tear dot, and I'm just going to be applying a tiny line of eyeliner because I didn't want like the dramatic eyeliner. I wanted it to look like a no makeup look, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'm going in with my mascara now and my eyelashes from Von Beauty. Here I have drawn my lips with the number 18 Davis pencil, and I'm just going in with the Clinique lip gloss, and I'm just setting my face. And that's basically the video, guys. I was in a rush and I just wanted to have like a quick video of the look I had on. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends, and see you guys in my next video.